Hey guys, it's Steve with TNT. Just wanted to show you this Cybertruck that we just tinted. This customer did want to go darker than the legal limit. We allow the customer to choose that. We don't dictate what they can do and they can't do, so we let them go with what they want. We did our 20% on the sides, and then we did a 40% on the windshield. It looks much darker on the video than it actually is. They can still see out plenty fine, but it looks incredible. I just wanted to show you that. And we did our ceramic film, our entry-level ceramic film all the way around. This, which is called Black Ceramic, and it offers about 60% of the infrared heat rejection, which will keep everything much cooler, especially on this ginormous windshield. But here's the picture from the inside out. So we pride ourselves on our quality of installs. And this one turned out really good. So, and here's a inside view of the back windows. So they pretty close match. But if you have any questions, let us know. Or if you're interested in tinting your Cybertruck, we would be happy to help you. Thank you.